Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another session of this course on Islamic inheritance law. In this session, we shall be looking at the causes of inheritance. A claimant can only be considered as capable of inheriting if he or she is associated with the deceased in one or more of the causes of inheritance. There are three causes of inheritance which we will discuss. An heir may have more than one cause of inheritance, in which case he or she will inherit in a dual capacity, which we will insha'Allah discuss later on in the course. The first cause of inheritance is a valid marital tie. A valid marriage between spouses establishes mutual rights of inheritance between them. That is, each spouse has the right to inherit from the other. Although consummation of the marriage, physical relations, is not a requirement for these inheritance rights to be established, the marriage itself must still exist at the time of the deceased's death, either actually or constructively, for inheritance to take place. Besides valid marriage, inheritance rights also arise from blood relationships, but not from affinity or fosterage ties. Note that there is no legal blood tie between an illegitimate child and his biological father, nor between that child and the father's relatives, and vice versa. Sunni jurists, however, do recognize mutual inheritance between a mother who gave birth to the child and her illegitimate child, along with their respective blood relatives. In short, mutual rights exist between mother and her blood relatives and child through the blood tie of birth. But for a child and the father and his blood relatives, Sunni Islamic law requires a legal blood tie proven by the child's legitimacy. Wala literally means friendship or assistance, a bond creating inheritance rights. Hanafi jurists recognize two types of wala: the master of a manumitted slave, known as wala al-itaq or mawla al-itaq, who inherits from the freed slave if they die without blood heirs, and the successor by contract, known as wala al-mawala. This brings us to the end of this session. Insha'Allah, see you in the next one.